Hello, teacher and classmate. I like to work at the Boyacá Rehabilitation Center. It's an institution that deals with emergencies and consultation with mental health patients. In this institution, psychologists acquire complete experience from of all fields of cure and rehabilitation of patients with mental disorders, allowing team lead quality of life. In this institution, the salary will be 2.5 million pesos. This institution is characterized by beautiful crops and gardens, which are planted and cared for by patients. This work allows to advance in their process throughout the working environment of the region. Thank you.